80 words per minute. Please be ready. Start. 3 to 10-year jail for mass conversion from one religion to another religion. Karnataka Assembly clears anti-conversion bill amidst protest. The bill mandates the persons who wish to convert shall give a declaration at least 30 days in advance to the authorized official. The contentious Karnataka Protection of Right to Freedom of Religion Bill 2021, popularly known as Anti-Conversion Bill, was passed by Karnataka Legislative Assembly on Thursday amidst din. Congress party vehemently opposed the bill, calling it anti-people, inhuman, anti-constitutional, anti-poor, and draconian, and urged that it should not be passed for any reason and should be withdrawn by the government. Janata Dal Yes too expressed its opposition to the bill, which was introduced in the assembly on Tuesday. The bill was passed by a voice vote, even as Congress members were protesting from the well of the House, demanding continuation of the debate on the bill that began this morning. They were also expressing their anguish against some remarks made by Minister K.S. Ishwarappa during his intervention in the debate. Congress seemed to be on a back foot with the ruling Bharatiya Janata Party, alleging that the bill was actually initiated by the Siddaramaiah led Congress administration and placed documents to support its claim before the House. Though Siddaramaiah, who is now the leader of opposition, denied it later on personally, going through the records in the Speaker's office, accepted that as the Chief Minister he had then only asked the draft bill to be placed before the cabinet, and no decision was taken in this regard, and hence it cannot be seen or projected as the intention of his government. Bommai said the bill is both constitutional and legal and aimed at getting rid of the menace of religious conversion. It is for a healthy society. Congress was indulging in vote bank politics by opposing it now. Their double standard is clear today. The Karnataka Protection of Right to Freedom of Religion Bill 2021 provides for protection of right to freedom of religion and prohibition of unlawful conversion by any fraudulent means. The bill proposes an imprisonment from 3 to 5 years with a fine of rupees 25,000, while for violation of provisions with respect to minors, women, scheduled castes, scheduled tribes, offenders will face imprisonment from 3 to 10 years and a fine of not less than rupees 50,000. The bill also makes provisions for the accused to pay up to rupees 5 lakh as compensation to those who were made to convert. And with regard to cases of mass conversion, the bill proposes 3 to 10 years jail term and a fine of up to rupees 1 lakh. The bill mandates that the persons who wish to convert to another faith shall give a declaration in a prescribed format at least 30 days in advance to the district magistrate or the additional district magistrate